Welcome back to Wellness Organic Culture with me, Shay. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all of my new subscribers and likes and comments. Today, I want to talk about what I drink after the gym. Like, one of my loves are smoothies. I enjoy mix and matching fruits. I don't mix fruits and vegetables only because fruits digest quicker than vegetables. So then sometimes you can make yourself gassy. So I do straight fruit, but I do use a lot of superfoods. Today I'm going to show you what I typically use in pretty much all of my smoothies. First, it's flax seeds. You can find this pretty much at any supermarket. Flax seeds are good in fiber. They improve digestion and they reduce inflammation. So when you're in the gym and you're working out and your muscles are sore the next day, flax seeds are amazing for reducing inflammation and getting that fiber into your system, because a lot of us, we don't eat a fiber-rich diet, so then that contributes to like constipation and all of that. So to get things moving in the gut, this is a must. The next thing that I have is chia seeds. I think we've all heard by now like what chia seeds are good for. There's a variety of ways that you can use chia seeds, but for me, I just add it to my smoothie. And I will tell you that do not go without this in your smoothies. Chia seeds, they are rich in omega-3s, which your body cannot produce on its own. So you have to incorporate it within the foods that you eat. A great way to incorporate is adding chia seeds to your smoothies. And also they contain complete protein. So we all know that when you're building muscles and you're breaking down your muscles, it's good to replenish your body with proteins. And preferably for me, I try to limit on meat. So another way to get my protein is through adding chia seeds to my smoothies. And also it improves your tissues, it improves your strength, and it improves your muscle performance. So definitely keep this in mind when you are at the store the next time you go to get your chia seeds and your flax seeds. The main ingredient to all of your smoothies is, of course, your fruits. So this one, I like to go to Target. You can go anywhere, but I like Target and like Whole Foods. I love to mix and explore different combinations. This one from Target, it is a mixed fruit blend. It has pineapple chunks, sliced strawberries, mango chunks, and sliced peaches. And then, oh, I forgot to add my first love in smoothies is bananas. I gotta have it. I gotta have bananas. I'm telling you all, like when I go to the store, I always get bananas and break them down and freeze them. When I get bananas and they're not being eaten fast enough, I go and I get my bananas and I freeze them, only because like they just bring a creaminess that I love to the smoothies. So if it doesn't come with banana, I'm adding banana in every single smoothie. Typically, I always add apple juice. I just love apple juice. I promise y'all, I can drink this every day of my life along with green tea, but we're not on that topic. But I love my apple juice. So when it comes to like adding liquid to my smoothies, I don't add milk. I see it all the time on the internet. I can't get with it. I've done it before. It's not my thing. It's not my thing. Props to the people who add the soy milk or the almond milk or regular milk. I need it to taste like it just came from somewhere fruity, not milked down. So if it's not apple juice. I also add coconut water, or it's either or. So it's not ever a mix and match. So it's either apple juice, spring water. Love this brand. You can find it at the dollar store, $1.25. Or I add coconut water. And we all know that coconut water is amazing with hydration, and it has its own light tasting effect, so it doesn't like overpower what you're blending. This is the NutriBullet. If you don't have a NutriBullet, you know, any kind of blender. If you don't have a blender, just invest in one. I think they're like $100 and something, maybe even cheaper, depending on if the store is closing or not. But mine is the Bullet. And what I do after I make my smoothie, take my straw, drink it right out of this. Now that I've explained pretty much what I typically use in my smoothies, I'll quickly make one for you. I think we all know how to make smoothies, but I just think it's part of the video if you're gonna make a smoothie video. So I will quickly show you what I do. So I'll do a half a cup of that. Gotta have my bananas each and every time. There's no right or wrong amount, it's just your liking. I usually will put 2 to 3 banana chunks, frozen banana chunks. I don't measure, I just put how much I feel my body needs that day. If that's good. I stop when my ancestors tell me to stop pouring. Of course, the chia seeds, I just pour until my ancestors say stop. Because I have apple juice, I am going to use my apple juice. And I usually will fill it all the way up, but because I've kind of eaten already today, I'm gonna do a smaller amount, but I'm gonna do for you all. I don't add ice either because everything is frozen, so I don't see it necessary to add ice, but if you wanna add ice, please do so. And if you wanna add milk, please do so. It's your smoothie. Turn it on. And look at that. And this is my cup. I don't transfer it into anything else. I will sit and watch YouTube, watch all my TV shows, surf the internet, play my Candy Crush, and this is what I do after the gym. Very good, very, very good. You cannot lose on something cold after the gym, and it's tasty and it's fruity, and you're giving your body its nutrients, and it's a win-win. It's a win-win. So thank you all for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and tune in again with me, Shay, with Wellness Organic Culture. Thank you guys. Bye.